Hi, my name is Jack, and today we will talk about
car washing nozzles hose attachments.
If you liked some of the products here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
All right, Theo, we're here today to test out the new product, the Foam King.
Smoky.
Now, do not shoot Dad. We're gonna test it out on Brother's Subaru, which I'm sure is fine. He won't mind in any way. Now, hang on a second. There's some settings here. See this dial? Okay, you can change it from 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way to 5. Which one do you think we should do?
5.
Of course, yes. All right. Number 5. All right. Hang on a second. There's some settings here. See this dial? Okay, you can change it from 4, 3, 2, 1, all the way to 5. Which one do you think we should do?
5.
Of course, yes. All right. Number 5. All right. What do you think?
Fun. I do not want to spray myself with this.
Foam is cool, and foam serves a purpose. That is why at Adams Polishes we offer a variety of foam guns and foam cannons. Now, our premium foam gun has a bunch of different features that help put foam on your car, creating a safer washing environment, reducing the amount of scratches that go on your car during washing. Your premium foam gun can be used with all of our car soaps, including car shampoo, mega foam, ultra foam, or even strip wash. What this does is it's going to put a nice layer of foam on your car, which will eliminate or reduce the chance of getting water spots as the soap neutralizes the water coming out of this foam gun. Now, your premium foam gun is going to come with a few different components, including the hose nozzle here. The hose nozzle can be used to rinse your car or as just a standard hose nozzle, but the hose nozzle will have a stainless steel quick disconnect on it here. So keep this on here and put it on number 2. Say if you have 40 PSI at your house, and what it does is, now generally an average amount of PSI that's coming out of a hose, with that we recommend using the metering tip number 2 or number 3 tips and test and see which one's gonna work best for you. Have enough soap solution to be able to foam your whole car without a doubt. Another really cool feature about the premium foam gun, section on here that you can connect a standard 16-ounce bottle from Adams Polish, 16 ounce with water, and put it directly on here and use that as your reservoir for the foam gun. Foam cannon is the way to go for that. This will still put into your car, providing lubrication while washing and also eliminating the chance. If you're looking to take your washing to the next level,
this makes car washing so easy for my husband. He puts the soap in the 32-ounce bottle, and as you see, he's adjusting so you can see if you need more soap compared to water, if your car's a little bit dirty or your floor's a little bit dirty, you can adjust the dial, which is perfect and super easy to use. And as you can see, he adjusts the dial, more soap is coming off. He enjoys washing the car. This is a super easy tool to use. All you need is a water hose. Here's the brush, he's brushing it down. You can add any soap you'd like to the bottle. And here is the rinse feature. Now you can use the rinse feature without using the soap, so you don't have to take it off the nozzle or anything. You can rinse down your car. So we are super pleased with this product. Here's my shiny car.